make one. Let's make actually 8 by. You tell me, if the decoder has 8 inputs, how many outputs we should have for 8 inputs? So the answer is 2 power n, right? So that means we have 8 to 256 decoder, right? So we want to actually make decoder. The only tools that we have is using two decoder, which is they are 4 to 16. Okay, so that means you have here, so you actually need more room here. It's technically the huge decoder, right, with 8 to 156. Okay, so what do you have is 2 4x6. This is the first one. This is the second one. We want to make one 4x256 decoder using 2 4x16. So that means the tools that you have is decoder. It is 4x16. So this is again is decoder. This is again 4x16. Okay. So what you expect to see, definitely should has 4 input. So this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what you want to make is 8. Should has 8, right? Here it should be simple, at least in the input design, right? So you want to combine these, make 8 by 260. Definitely you agree to put x0 here, x1, x2 here, x3 here, x4 here, x5 here, x6 here, and this is the 8th one, which is x7. Okay, so that's fine. So then how about the enable? All the time enable, you connect the both enable to each other, and you call that or label that enable, which is whenever that's 0, the both of them is active, do their job. Whenever that's 1, the both of them is actually inactive, and the output should be 0. Okay, so if you put x0 to x1, I'm not going to have 256, and here this is just for practice. Okay, I just put the probably one of them, 1 or 2 of them, just give you an idea. Okay, so but definitely you need to make all of them if you are interested. So see what should be the output. So here you have, this is 4x16. Definitely you have 16 output, which is start with M0, M1. I'm not going to draw all of them. The last one should be M15, right? Same thing here. You have 1, 2, which is the M0. This is M1, and you end up with M15 or 15, right? So you start with 0 to 15. So you could actually, I just write a couple of them, maybe 2. So what is the M0 based off what you see as an input here? M0. The M0, you have x0, 1, 2, 3. Midterm 0 should be x3, x2, x2, x1, x0. All of them is the prime, right? So, and what should be the M15? Should be x3, x, should be x2, should be x1, should be x0. How about the second one? Second one, the input actually is 4 to 7. So that means M0 is x7, x6, x5, x5, x4, all of them prime. How about the last one? Should be x7, x6, x5, and x4. Okay. So if you back here, what you want to design is this. You want to have 8 to 256. Definitely, how many inputs do you need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is we put x0, end up with x7. And how many outputs do you have? So 256, right? So you put actually M0 to M, actually 256, which is should be 255. The last one should be 255. 0 to 255, which is 256. So what is the M0? So definitely M0 should be X7, X6, X5. Let you get a little room here. So 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All of them should be prime, right? And how about M250, 55 should be X7, X6, X5, X4, X3, X2, X actually 1, X0, okay? So don't worry, I'm not going to draw the all 255, just probably two of them, which is M0 and M1, okay? M0 and 255. So back to here, it should be simple, right? So you say, okay, you need the AND. So I just put one AND here. So you have these and here, which is you claim should be M0, which is these huge bit pattern that you see. So definitely you should actually just connect this with this. What should be the M0, whatever you have, so that you expect. So X7, X6, X5, X4, X3, X2, X1, X0, and all of them should have the, that's it. You could actually make for all 255. I just have for the last one probably, which is M255 equal to X7, X7, X6, X5, X4, X3, X2, X1, X0. And what you need to connect. So this is X0 to 3. So you connect these here, and this is X4 to 7, right? You actually connect this. Okay. So this is just example which give you idea. Any numbers that I actually ask to make, you should be able to actually make with what you already have, right? So we start with 2 by 4, which is we actually learn how we could actually make with the regular gates, normal gates. We end up with 2, 4, then we use 2, 4 to make 3, 8. Then based on what you learn here, you are able to actually make any decoder based on what you learn in these 3 examples, okay?